Alright, I'm at the Fireworks Superstore in Hannibal, Missouri. I'm going to start doing the world-class 500 gram cakes. Alright, so let's get started. We got Crazy Exciting on steroids, $28.99. It's 5 o'clock somewhere, that's $22.99. It's a really good price. Not in my yard, that's a classic, $28.99. Got a whole bunch up here too. Jake's Wants You. Alright. $69.99. It's kind of a long cake too. Goes back pretty far. Alright, what do we got? Fighting Rooster, $29.99. We got Black Dynamite, $49.99. Got a bunch of Fighting Rooster up there. Unfair Advantage. It's kind of a cool label. $79.99. Chasing Booty, $29.99. Who doesn't like Chasing Booty, right? Chicken on a Chain, $25.99. Got a bunch of that. American Intensity, $23.99. That's an excellent price. Boss, $23.99. Secret Agent, $29.99. That's cute. Fire Eyes, $24.99. America's Rhythm. Don't know the price. Not seeing a price. Alright, what do we got here? Angry Leprechaun, $24.99. He looks kind of angry. Come on, $19.99. Tank Girl, $29.99 for if you want Tank Girl. Alright, what do we got here? Moolah, $21.99. True Art, $31.99. Only has about a case worth of those. Bombshell, $69.99 for Bombshell. Sizzling Hot, $39.99. Panda Thai, $39.99. Zippity Zam, $39.99. Torment, $29.99. Joe 6-pack is $39.99, and To Hell and Back is same price, $39.99. Get a little view of the top shelf there. Asian Sensation, $28.99. Clown Skull, $32.99. I think that's the one I've been wanting to try, Clown Skull. Right, this is Cutting Edge Pyro Power, $24.99. Coming at you. Coming at you, $29.99. Let's see, I think I missed this one. Fight Fire with Fire, $22.99. Beauty and the Beast, Beauty and Beast, $24.99. What is this? Tongue Tied, $28.99. Only got a couple of those. Dangerous Mind, $35.99. Oh no, he's got a bunch of tongue tied down here, $28.99. All right, this is a Cutting Edge product, Unstoppable Rider, $21.99. Enforcer, $34.99. Skull Captain, $24.99. Bad Reputation, $26.99. Sea to Shining Sea, $79.99. Street Ride, $30.99. Sexy Rider, $28.99. Cutting Edge Suicide Squad. It's kind of a neat label. $24.99. Pure Seduction World Class, $39.99. Deadly Catch, $49.99. Fireworker, $29.99. Super Freak, $26.99. Cutting Edge product here, Sweet Dreams, $26.99. Legend, $37.99. Cutting Edge, Above and Beyond, $35.99. Another cutting edge product, Warpath, $28.99. We got cutting edge ejected, $27.99. Louisiana Yard Dog. There's one left. It looks like it's been in the sun for like 2 years, but $34.99. All right, let's see. We got this. Let's see. Love Pyro, $26.99. All right, let's go to this row now. Got a ton of these cutting edge ones. So most of this will be cutting edge now in this row on the side. Cruelty Devil, $31.99. Got a bunch. All right. Gonna start at the top here. Gun Runner, cutting edge, $25.99. Melting Stars, $25.99. And this is more Gun Runner down here. Warpath, $28.99. Cheetah, $24.99. Breakout, yeah, I think that's cutting edge. I'm seeing the CE here. So it's $19.99. Got Rainmaker, $27.99. CE 100, $22.99. We got Wicked Magic, $35.99. We have Dark Lord, $32.99. Bunch of Dark Lord over here. Final Cut, $26.99. Snake Charmer, $39.99. We got Caged Animal, $21.99. Galaxy Buster, $19.99. Holy smokes. Holy smokes. $21.99. All right. Top Secret, $27.99. $34.99. Fly and Conquer, Getting It Done, $29.99. Widowmaker, $22.99. It's a really good price. Oh my God, Chopper! I haven't seen this cake in like 10 years. Crazy. $29.99. Pure Intensity, $37.99. Fire and Fury, $34.99. It's a pretty good cake. Shot it before. Rustler, $24.99. Ooh, what do you got here? Peacock. This is world class. $79.99. Rock Till You Drop, $26.99. Very Evil, $29.99. Toxic, $46.99. High Def is $39.99. Orc Skull, $29.99. Dirty Little Secret, $25.99. I think I might grab a couple of those actually. Yikes, $28.99. Green, $46.99. I don't know why that one's so expensive, but that one, okay. All right, yikes, more yikes up there. So we got Inferno Punch, $17.99. Tears for Fears, $59.99. Little sneak peek into the raccoon stuff coming up soon. Loyal to None, $34.99. Midnight Sunburn, $29.99. Evil Clown, $31.99. Gravedigger, it's on sale. Come to the Superstore and grab it, $29.99. Red, White, and Blue Forever, $31.99. Which I believe is one of the first 500 gram cakes I ever shot in my life. Thank you. One Bad Mother-in-Law, $31.99. Got more down here. Really One Bad Mother. Really One Bad Mother. $32.99. She's really bad. She's really bad. All right, here we go. The gorilla is sitting by himself with a $49.99 price tag. Okay, is that why you're alone? Okay, let's go. All right, let me just show you this. Fist Bumps, $79.99. Evil, Wicked, Mean, and Nasty, $69.99. Naked, $69.99. Alright, so that does it for the world-class stuff.